spearheading the questioning time. So we'll take the first 4 questions, and then the Honorable Minister will channel the questions accordingly to which minister is supposed to answer that. So, as we normally...
Thank you, Honorable Minister Mchangwa. I believe this is a pilot beginning, and it's beginning with the companies. And this is also following the cabinet decision that was made last week. Yesterday, for example, the Confederation of Zimbabwean Industry and the Zimbabwean National Chamber of Commerce also embraced the idea of renewable energy, including the participation in net metering and smart metering of technologies. This also means that the escalation of energy efficiency as a pilot is taking note of the SADC industrial energy efficiency initiative. Next week in cabinet, the minister, when he is back, he is also going to be presenting further information to expand on this initiative. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Minister.
Honorable Minister, I'm encouraged to hear that question because the issue of food is absolutely paramount to everybody. And right across the nation, we are distributing food in 10 provinces. And this week is the first time that we've actually presented the suburbs where we are distributing food in urban households. Our latest Zimbabwe Vulnerability Assessment report shows that we have 5.7 million people across the country who are in need of food. However, this figure does not as yet give us the exact number of the people in urban households who are in need of food. But what I can say is that there is increasing hunger, both at rural as well as at the urban level. But the ministry is intent on ensuring that everybody has got food on the table. Thank you.
Thank you.
Minister, let me begin by giving some figures on how much Zim is generating at the moment. Zimbabwe is generating power from Harare 3, from Bulawayo, and from Munyati. This is coming through what they call the small thermals. And we're also generating some power from Kariba and also from Wange through coal. And on the second question regarding measures to plug power supply, and we could report that the Zimbabwe electricity tariff distribution is engaged a local bank to the tune of 15 million guaranteed to unlock supply of 400 megawatts from ESCOM. And at the same time, the ZETDC, the Zimbabwe Electricity Tariff Distribution, RBZ and ESCOM have also agreed on a payment plan. So I think these initiatives that have been put into place will enable us to have more power. On the last point regarding reviewing the electricity tariff, I'm afraid right now I haven't got the answer, but I do understand that when the minister comes back, he's going to be presenting a report next week. Thank you.
You dealt with what Zimbabwe is generating at the moment?
Yes, I did. I talked about the small thermal.
Very good. And now, the quantity, I think they want the figures.
Oh,
how
I'm
much?
sorry.
Yeah.
Let me give you the quantities. Under the small thermals, our achievable capacity should be 60, but we currently have 42. So Harare 3 gives us 12 megawatts, Bulawayo gives us 12 megawatts, and Munyati gives us 18 megawatts. Kariba, we should have, if we are in full capacity, we should have 1,039, but at this stage, we have got 461 megawatts. So overall, we do have a shortfall of minus 582 megawatts. Thank you.
Thank you, Minister Dr. Nzenza. That was Your question is the acting Minister of Energy. Now a question is the Minister of Public Service, Labour and Social Welfare, Costa. He wanted to know
regarding food distribution is not distributed according to any party or political affiliation. Everybody in Zimbabwe has the right to have access to food. That is the policy across the board. Regarding incidences where it's been reported that food is being distributed along political lines, that incident we were told that happened in Chimanimani during the cyclone. However, we were able to establish with the help of our donor partners that had not actually happened. But I'm not saying totally across the board it doesn't happen. If there are incidents like that, we will investigate. And we have social workers on the ground whose role is to specifically ensure that every Zimbabwean has access to food.
And thank you very much, Dr. Nzenza, for that. On the next question, which